me. Ashford trains. How's that? Wasn't a very convincing sneeze, I don't think. But who knows, as the spring and the summer goes on, I might be actually sneezing. So we'll try that again if that happens, Kelly. Oh my word, look! Somebody's left a Great Western Gunpowder van on the ground, and I bet it's absolutely full of highly explosive gunpowder. I better not forget it's there, because I might come over and trip. Oh no! Up next, I have a very interesting, as always, request from Kelly Ashford Trains. She wants me to sneeze over a gunpowder van and have it explode in my face. Now, Kelly, I've done my best with this one. I've got the gunpowder van here. It's fully loaded and primed. But my problem is I find it really hard to sneeze on demand. Yeah, Chloe doesn't like those because she doesn't like seeing me blown up. And we'll have a look at what we've got here. Oh, yeah, this cold weather's already got to me. Now, I mustn't trip over the track. Oh. So this request comes from Kelly Ashford, who wanted to see me trip over the train tracks and then get splattered by Thomas. Now, I've already done the first bit, tripping over the tracks, so now I just need to get splattered by Thomas. We have one from Kelly Ashford Trains. You'll see why I'm laughing, Kelly. You're trying to do me in, woman, I tell you. Right, so Kelly wanted to see the grey D1 with the grey packets, creating somewhat of a ghost train, I suppose. Then, with 7 egg vans behind and a gunpowder van and a grey toad van, she wanted to see the train run under the bookcase where smoke billows out. The gunpowder van then explodes and sends me screaming and hiding under the table. So it looks as though the train's going under the bookcase now. I sure can see the smoke. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Apparently there is, and I could see it, there is a Great Western Gunpowder van derailed behind the bookcase, well out of reach. And oh my goodness, the useless Tango is hurrying along the track, and I think a collision is unavoidable. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1... Let's go back to the live stream.